Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful full-size vanity mirror. I bought 2 sets of lights from Amazon. Each one had 10 bulbs in them. And then I also got a really large mirror from Ikea. So I first wanted to see how far apart each bulb should be, so I laid them out without sticking them on. I decided 9.5 inches would be perfect space between each bulb. I used a Sharpie to make a little mark where I wanted each bulb to be. Carefully peel off the sticker and make sure the wires are pointing outwards towards the outside of the mirror. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same steps for the entire side of the mirror. Be careful peeling off the sticker, it could get a little tricky. And when measuring, make sure to measure from the center of each bulb. Now that I'm done sticking on all the bulbs, I'm going to go ahead and tape the wires to the side of the mirror. So I'm going to be using clear shipping tape for that. You're going to repeat the same steps for every single bulb. Now I'm going to use electric tape to tape the remaining wire to the back of the mirror, and I'm going to do that throughout. Now that the bulbs are all on, we're going to go ahead and place this on the wall. So this is how the completed mirror looks. I am completely obsessed with it. It is so beautiful. It's so huge and it lights up so nicely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.